If you're looking to turn your SSD into a fast and reliable external drive, this video is for you. Today we're checking out the best SSD enclosures that offer high-speed performance, proper cooling, and solid build quality. Some enclosures throttle speeds, some overheat, and some just aren't worth the price. That's why we've picked the top options that actually deliver. Check the product links in the description to see current pricing, full specs, and compatibility before you buy. Let's get started. Product 5, Acasis 40 Gbps NVMe. Me enclosure with cooling fan, renders stalled, external drive overheated, edits crashing during deadline rush, transferring huge 4K files took forever, chilling workflow momentum, laptop fans screamed, clutching at every dropped frame painfully. Searched for Thunderbolt NVMe solutions, found Acasis TBU 405 Pro. Saw specs, Intel JHL7440, chip, true. Thunderbolt 4 reliability, built-in active cooling fan grabbed me. No more thermal throttling, 40 Gbps transfer speeds, promise snappy 4K and 8K editing, works seamlessly with M1, M2, M3 Macs, Windows, Linux machines. Slid my 980 Pro into TBU 405 Pro. Plugged Thunderbolt fan engaged, temps dropped, sustained full-speed transfers without throttling. Benchmarks hit 2805, 2734 MB/s. Real-world editing felt instant. Compact build fits pocket, carried everywhere during client shoots. No more stall-led renders, no frantic file copy prayers. Want professional-level speed and zero thermal drama? Ready to upgrade? Check the product link in the description for the latest pricing, full specifications, and compatibility details before it goes out of stock. Product 4, Vention 40 GB Enclosure. Use NVMe SSD. Enclosure aluminum, still transferring files with snail speed USB? That's basically prehistoric tech editing 4K footage and waiting forever? Time theft, emotional damage. What if I said 3 GB moves in 1 second? Meet my secret weapon. Vention 40 M2 NVMe enclosure up to 3100 Mbps, so fast your cable needs coffee supports. USB 4, Thunderbolt 4.3, USB 3.2, 3.1, universally backward compatible aluminum shell plus micro fan, keeps speed steady, not throttled. Holds NVMe SSDs up to 8 TB, portable library tool-free, screwless installation, swap drives in seconds, stress-free. Supports MB+M and M keys, sizes 2230, 2280, universally. Smart chip with UASP or trim, sustained speeds, reduced degradation, bus-powered, lightweight design, carry your studio in your backpack. Mac users, drive ships, NTFS, readable only, use Tuxera or Paragon. So stop waiting, get Vention, make deadlines bow down. Visit the link in the description to see current prices, complete specs, and device compatibility. Product 3, Ugreen Tool Free. 10 Gbps NVMe enclosure USB-C. This little aluminum brick just revolutionized my external storage workflow. Ugreen tool-free NVMe enclosure with USB 3.2 Gen 2 10 Gbps. Fits M and B&M keys, supports 2230 to 2280 SSDs. Tool-free buckle design, install SSDs in seconds, no tools. Plug and play, 0 drivers required. Instant access across platforms. I tested with NVMe 1 TB and saw blazing transfers. Reached sustained speeds close to 900 Mbps with proper cable. Note: you need a USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 data cable for 10G. RTL9210 chip offers short circuit, overcurrent, multi-protection for safety. Supports UASP and trim for faster, reliable transfers and longevity. Works on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS systems. Supports NVMe SSDs up to 8 TB. Great for creators. Ultra slim aluminum body with silicone sleeve. Portable and durable. Important, does not support SATA NGFF or MSATA SSDs. If you need fast, easy external NVMe, grab this U-Green. For up-to-date pricing and full specs, make sure to check the product link in the description. Product 2 Sabrent Tool-Free NVMe Enclosure 10 Gbps USB-C, always waiting ages to move huge video or RAW files. Clunky enclosures and overheating killed my workflow repeatedly. Screws, tiny tools, and slow transfers wasted my time. Meet the Sabrent EC PNVO, tool-free flip-open NVMe enclosure. Insert your M2 drive, lock it, close, no tools. USB-C 10 Gbps speeds, move files in seconds instantly. Aluminum top presses thermal pad for better heat dissipation. I clipped in a 1 TB NVMe and plugged USB-C, sustained high speeds during massive backups and 4K edits. Supports 2230-2280, NVMe drives up to 8 TB. Slim ABS frame and anodized aluminum withstand on-the-go use. No drivers, no external power. Works with Windows, Mac, Linux. Perfect for creators, gamers, and IT professionals needing speed. Fast NVMe performance, simple tool-free setup, cooler sustained transfers. Grab the Sabrent EC PNVO now. Upgrade portable storage today. Before buying, click the link in the description to confirm the latest price, features, and compatibility. Product 1. Hybrid 90T to buy. NVMe HDD Enclosure 10 Gbps dock. My editing rig screamed out of space during final render. I panicked. Backup drives, cloud fees, endless transfers. Nothing reliable. Friends said, buy NAS, buy multiple enclosures, sacrifice speed. But I couldn't afford complexity, noise, or slow restores. Then I found ZenMate Hybrid, a shocking hybrid solution. 3 3.5-inch bays plus 3 M2 NVMe slots. Wow. Up to 90 TB capacity, massive HDD storage meets NVMe speed. USB 3.2, Gen 2 10 Gbps delivers 200 to 300 Mbps actual speeds. Aluminum chassis and continuous silent fan protect drives constantly. Tool-free trays, hot swap in seconds. No screws, no hassle. Plug and play across Windows, Mac, Linux. Broad compatibility, instant access. I migrated terabytes overnight. Editing timelines load like lightning. Surveillance backups, media servers, or pro workflows. Everything runs smoother. Yes, fan runs continuously. It's quiet for non-stop reliability. Choose ZenMate Hybrid now. Expand to 90 TB, render faster. Head to the product link in the description to explore detailed specifications, current pricing, and availability.